Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to learn how to reset a smart TV with Android TV operating system to factory settings. Sometimes there may come a time when your TV is not working properly, has some kind of problem, or there is something that you think is broken. In these cases, a solution to fix the root problems is usually to format the TV, or, in other words, reset the TV to factory settings. In this case we are going to see how we would do it on an Android TV. To reset to factory settings we will need to access the TV settings found at the top right, here in the settings wheel. We enter the menu and go to where it says Device Preferences. Once inside we will have to access the Information section. And once inside Information, as you can see, the third option is Factory Reset. You have to keep in mind that this option will reset the TV completely and will leave it again as if you had just taken it out of the box. I mean, it's going to remove any type of application that you have installed extra to the one that the TV has pre-installed. I mean, if the TV had Netflix pre-installed, it's going to continue. But if you've installed any apps outside of the pre-installed ones, it's going to remove them. Just as it will also remove any kind of picture or sound settings that you have on the TV, it will also remove the Wi-Fi. I mean, you will no longer be connected to your home Wi-Fi. The internet settings on the TV will be removed and, well, also quite importantly, the Google account that you have linked will also be removed. Not that the account will be deleted, but it will no longer be linked to the TV. Once this has been clarified, that the TV will be reset to the way you had it when you took it out of the box when you bought it, then once you agree, we click on where it says Reset to Factory Default. Here it warns you, as I said, everything will be reset, everything will be erased. So that you know it, we give him to restore factory state. Here it asks you again, because as I said, this is going to erase everything. If you are sure, then you go down to where it says delete all and you give it. This process can be a little slow. It may take a few minutes to reset the TV. There you see restarting, and now the TV is going to hit a few reboots until it returns to the main screen. As you can see, now a new screen appears where it used to appear deleting. Now it is gone. As you can see, there are several restarts. Now the TV brand, SunzTech, appears. And finally, after about 2 or 3 minutes, the TV restarts again. As you can see, we have again the main Android TV start menu. As you can see, it appears loading. And after about a minute or so on the previous screen, the main configuration screen appears. The first screen that came up when we turned on the TV when we took it out of the box. And from here, we can start configuring it again. Well guys, this is as far as the video goes. I hope it has been useful. If so, do not forget to leave me a like, that is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell to not miss anything. As for me, that's all. As always, a pleasure, and until the next video.